How to streak on Snapchat app. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. Now, in order to start the Snapchat streak, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now, once inside the Snapchat account, go to your friend list by tapping on the friends at the bottom left corner of your screen. So as you can see, my friend list is available here. Now, some of my friends has already sent me snap, but my Snapchat streak is not still available. So let's send a snap, photo or video to the friend who you want to start a streak with. Simply click a photo or record a video on your snap and send it to the friend you want to build a streak with. Now, once you send it, you can see there is a streak, a fire emoji appear right next to their chat, signifying that the streak has started. Both users need to send one snap within 24 hours. If you don't send a snap in time, the fire emoji will disappear and the streak will end. You can see the number of consecutive days you have been snapping with each other's next to their name. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.